So now this is take 3 of getting my video. Redo light. Again, we're doing the 52-inch Hunter Low Pro. We're still trying to do the get a good recording of the 42-inch Hunter Low profile in the green room at Grandma's house. Here's low. Let's turn on the light now. Again, same walnut finish. And again, a little wobble on high. Now medium. Medium, again, is not much faster than low. Again, it's pushing out strong air. So we'll now turn on the light. And now high. You close up on the wobble again. And again, it's pushing good air. Light on now. And the third take for the spin down. For the spin down. Again, this is the second longest spin down. The big 52-incher out in the additional room has the longest one. So once this stops spinning, that'll be it. This is my grandma's green room 42-inch Hunter Low profile ceiling fan. Once this finishes spinning down, that'll be it. Alright, that's it.